Right here is our new samgyupsal meal with tanglad and udon. Oh.
At gagamitin natin ang salitang komputadora. We're gonna use that, and we're going to be using it for our next game. 3 people will be acting out a scene, but the dialogue of their scene has to go through the letters of the word komputadora. Can I please have the last thing that you searched on the internet today? Samgyupsal. This scene will be inspired by the word Samgyupsal.
Korean barbecue na naman.
Oh, kasi ito yung specialty dahil bumili ako sa Mr. DIY nung pot.
Maganda nga put some pechay.
Udon also?
Tanglad.
Aha! Kumakain kayo, hindi kayo nag-iimbita. Dito na naman tong kapitbahay natin. Kayo, ha? Oh.
Star, come in.
Right here is our new samgyupsal meal. Wow! Aba! Social kayo, ha? May samgyupsal kayo sa bahay? Cause it's always easy to make with tanglad and udon. Oh. Tanglad?
Marami ka na namang reklamo. Akala mo
Pwede ba? Samgyupsal, natakam na ako, tapos biglang may tanglad. Udon din, meron.
Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for Chester, Bibay, and Ako.